Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, super crispy, super cheesy, super healthy, super spicy chips! Made with kale, but taste so good, and they're so good for you! So hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, pour a quarter cup of tahini into a bowl. Along with a teaspoon of paprika powder, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter cup of water. Mix it well. And combine it with a bunch of kale leaves. Throw them onto a baking sheet. And bake them at 300 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now enjoy super crispy and super healthy chips! Thanks for watching.